Hi, beautiful people. Today, I'm bringing for you natural hairstyle. So, with courage, if you want to put on your hair courage, I hope you're going to watch this video up to end. So, this time I bring for you something special. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget because I bring for you something special on this video. You just do this. You watch the video up to end, guys. I hope you're going to like it. Don't forget to subscribe because I bring for you something special. You just watch the video up to end. Okay, guys.
Finally trying the Dew Honey Dip Honey Butter Gel. Sounds delicious. Soft hold creamy gel. Now listen to this. It's a butter rich creamy gel. Medium hold. High shine. Defines curls without the grease. Perfect for thirsty strands. It says you can apply it to damp or wet hair, so I'm going to try both. People always ask how I get my hair like this in the beginning of my videos, and I've washed my hair and it's towel dried. My hair is still damp right now, and it never stays like this, so I'm going to apply this section on damp hair first. I kind of want to eat it. This feels very moisturizing. I'm going to try this side with wet hair. It has such like a delicious texture to it. Immediately tell I like it better applied on wet hair. So moisturizing and so creamy, but it doesn't feel like a curl cream. It doesn't feel like a custard or anything. It just has a unique texture. Really creamy gel. I said before that I'm a huge texture person, and this texture is fantastic. You hear this? Creamy. Just based on application, that is one of the best hair products I've ever applied to my hair. So creamy and moisturizing, it just glides through the hair. I'm going to diffuse my hair and then we'll see what this looks like. I'm so excited yet kind of nervous. Then a cast on it, it just has a little bit of a hold. Definitely don't need a leave-in with this. My hair feels very moisturized. This is the most moisturizing styling product I've used from the Dew. I'm not going to fluff my hair out until tomorrow because I want to see how it does overnight. I cannot get over how this applied to the hair. It was so good. So easy. It's creamy, it's soft, it's smooth, it glides in the hair. I don't want to get ahead of myself because I have to wait till tomorrow, but this has really impressed me so far. Calling this a honey butter soft hold creamy gel is the perfect way to describe this. It's not like a custard. It's not just a gel. It's not a cream. It's very unique. Gotta say, these products that I've tried so far from the Dew have been unique. These are not just repackaged. You have seen it a million times. These are new formulas and I don't have anything like them. So I'll check back in for day 2.